Why does the motor still burn out even when a thermal overload relay is installed in the circuit? There are two reasons for this. Firstly, the reset button of the thermal overload relay is initially set to automatically reset. This means that when the motor is overloaded and then cools down for a while, the bimetallic strip automatically resets itself. In such cases, if the motor is restarted without the fault being detected by the personnel, it can cause secondary damage to the motor and lead to its burnout. Therefore, we should manually reset the potentiometer knob by turning it counterclockwise. By manually resetting the motor when it malfunctions, we can identify the cause of the overload and prevent motor damage. The second reason is incorrect adjustment of the set current. For lightly loaded equipment, we can adjust the set current value to match the motor's rated current. For slightly heavier loads, we can adjust the set current to around 2 times the rated current. To make a more accurate adjustment, we can measure the motor current using a clamp meter after starting the motor, and then adjust the set current value slightly higher than the starting current. Have you understood these concepts?